Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. After spending 2 weeks with the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, it's clear that Samsung has made remarkable progress in the mid-range smartphone market. This device strikes a balance between premium features and affordability, making it an appealing choice for a wide range of users. Sleek and premium design. The Galaxy A56 5G boasts a slim 7.4mm profile, making it comfortable to hold. Samsung has used Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back, paired with an aluminum frame, giving the phone a high-end feel. The camera module seamlessly blends into the design, enhancing the phone's overall aesthetics. As for color options, Samsung offers graphite gray, light gray, olive, and pink, catering to different style preferences. Vibrant display experience. With a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display and a 1080 by 2340 resolution, the Galaxy A56 5G delivers sharp and vivid visuals. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and an immersive gaming experience. One of the standout features is its peak brightness of 1900 nits, making it easy to use even in direct sunlight. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 5G is powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, which provides an 18% boost in CPU performance and an astonishing 177% improvement in GPU power compared to its predecessor. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, this device introduces exciting new features like circle to search and enhanced AI capabilities. Plus, Samsung's commitment to 6OS upgrades ensures this phone stays relevant for years to come. Impressive camera setup. The rear camera system is packed with features to elevate your photography experience. 50MP main sensor with OIS captures sharp and detailed images, reducing blur. 12MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes with minimal distortion. 5MP macro lens, ideal for close-up shots with impressive detail. On the front, the 12-megapixel selfie camera not only delivers clear and detailed selfies but also supports 4K video recording, making it great for vloggers and content creators. Long-lasting battery and fast charging. Battery life is a major highlight of the Galaxy A56 5G. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, it ensures all-day usage without any hassle. The game changer here is 45W fast charging, which juices up the battery to 65% in just 30 minutes, while a full charge takes about 68 minutes. That's an impressive speed for a mid-range phone. Final thoughts. With its sleek design, vibrant display, powerful performance, and impressive battery life, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G is undoubtedly a solid contender in the mid-range segment. But what do you think? Does this phone meet your expectations? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.